Healthy Bodies, Healthy Minds, Healthy Learners is a partnership between Bruce Vento Elementary School and the University of Minnesota Extension's Children, Youth, and Family Consortium. Funded by an Extension Issue Area grant, we've been working together to enhance the health, well-being, and learning of students at the school.
I haven't worked in a better building in my 20 years in St. Paul. We have some really cool kids, and it is a tough place. There's no doubt. We're 100% free and reduced lunch. We're 95% students of color, probably the highest crime rate in St. Paul. But it's a great place to be. The strengths are in our kids. Our kids are really cool kids.
They're just joyful, funny, navigating kids. They're contagious to be around.
The biggest challenge is the mental health needs of our building.
To help address the mental health needs of Bruce Vento students, CYFC connected the school to Family Innovations, a local outpatient mental health agency. Family Innovations is currently providing mental health services for over 50 students and their families who would not otherwise be receiving services.
If it weren't for the connection that Ms. Myers gave us with Family Innovations, we would have no mental health support here whatsoever. But that Family Innovations partnership has been huge. Yeah. In servicing our kids.
Our premise is really based on we want to engage families, parents in the mental health care of their child, and not just make this a site-based model in the school, but to really involve the parents in their community.
When we see the therapists here working with the kids, it's as if they have a magic dust that they're just sprinkling on the kids. And honest to God, it's amazing watching them work. The kids will do anything for them. Yeah. They will do anything for those guys.
You felt welcomed as part of the school right from the beginning, from the teachers to the behavioral staff, to the school social workers, to the administration. You just see they're willing to do whatever it takes to help these kids and reach out. And so it honestly couldn't be a better environment.
Staff also wanted to create a calming room to help students learn healthy ways of regulating their behaviors. 23 students from the University of Minnesota's College of Design worked with Bruce Vento staff to draft designs for the space. 2 of those students received funding to continue their design work with us through the project's completion.
I see this vision of the calming room when it's finished is going to provide a very calm and peaceful place for kids.
But the calming room, to me, I really hope that is something that people come and say, oh my gosh, what is Vento? Where'd you get that? How'd you do that? I don't know that there's a room like that anywhere in the district that's going to meet multisensory needs.
We've also built a school community garden where students learn about planting, harvesting, and caring for living things.
I see the community garden as an extension of the calming room. The kids that aren't going to work in the calming room might work in that garden, and maybe it's just walking through it. I believe it's going to strengthen this community. It ties in with our superintendent's vision of strong schools, strong communities. Again, my goal is another food shelf type where community members can come and access this garden for food. And I hope they feel an ownership of the garden, which would in turn be an ownership of the school.
With assistance from the St. Paul Police Department, who have paid an officer for a few hours a week to engage with the community in caring for the garden over the summer, we've seen many examples of children and youth learning new things about these healthy foods.
So I'm wondering, what have been some of the benefits of partnering with Judy and with the University of Minnesota on these efforts?
They're endless. I mean, I can't even tell you what Judy and you all have meant to this building. I mean, with the trauma work and bringing in this grant. Between the trauma work, Family Innovations, the grant, it's just been really powerful for our kids.